OLLI, if you haven't heard about it, is a senior university for people over 50. You can enroll in classes on campus over Zoom. It's a great place to learn, to make friends, to be entertained.
I find that the people I'm drawn to, the people that are my friends, are people from OLLI. We get together before class, after class, we go out for lunch together.
The things I enjoy most about OLLI myself are the social relationships that I've been able to build up with people.
This is a no grades, no homework learning opportunity for most of our OLLI folks.
Since I moved here, I think OLLI has played one of the most significant roles in my life. Even if it's a course you don't like, you cannot walk out of a class and not forget something. I could never stop going.
For me, OLLI has become a joy to see how our senior population finds their way into a classroom. To keep learning means to keep active.
And the great thing is you might learn things that you can say to your grandkids and they'll be amazed that someone your age could learn it.
Our motto is learn more, age less, and we're hoping that everybody does that here at OLLI.